2025 was a busy year for Regenerating Sonora here in Superior. We celebrated our 6th birthday and kept our existing programs going strong while also launching a handful of new ones to support our mission of nurturing local potential for a resilient and thriving future. All in all, our team put in over 8,000 hours of service to our community. We hosted 228 events, making for an event more than every other day, and we averaged 75 visits a week to Leo's and our community garden, for a total of 3,944 visits all in all, an increase of 80% in attendance from last year. Let's take a look at the progress we've made with each of our initiatives.